What if I told you that the tires gripping the road beneath your car right this second could be the thin line between a smooth, safe drive and a catastrophic skid that changes everything? A lot of folks treat tires like a boring necessity, black, round, whatever's cheapest at the store. But mechanics know better, and they're not shy about it in the shop. They've confided that nearly half of all tire-related disasters they deal with trace back to just a handful of shady brands, the ones pushed hard in ads or discounted to move fast. We're talking a braking gap on slick roads that isn't minor, it's over 100 feet, enough to turn a near miss into a nightmare pileup. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the 8 tire brands that real mechanics swear by for their own rides and loved ones, plus the 3 they'd never touch, no matter how much you push. And believe me, the top pick isn't the flashy name with the Super Bowl spots. It's the underdog dominating in silence, outlasting giants with tech that's pure genius. Hang tight till the end because that last bombshell could have you rethinking your next set before you hit the highway. Section 1. Why your tire brand matters more than you think. Let's cut through the noise right away. Your tires aren't just accessories. They're the sole connection between your vehicle and the asphalt. 4 tiny contact points managing tons of weight screaming down the interstate at breakneck speeds. Day in and day out, mechanics witness the fallout, blowouts that strand families, skids that total cars, all boiling down to subpar materials like flimsy compounds or belts that give way under stress. I remember chatting with a grizzled tech who's aligned thousands of vehicles. He put it plain. Folks drop $1,000 on fancy rims or exhausts, but skimp on the rubber that's literally life or death. And when you dig into the data, it's undeniable. Premium tires don't just last, they save lives by clinging to the road when it counts. Section 2. How we ranked these tires. Real mechanic criteria. Forget the glossy ads or sponsored reviews. This list comes straight from the trenches, where pros evaluate based on what holds up in the real world. We dove deep into factors like 1. Actual tread longevity. Top tires deliver 60,000 miles or more without batting an eye, while junk ones balled out before 20,000. 2. Performance in the wet, where most wrecks happen. Good tires channel water away like pros. Bad ones turn your car into a hydroplaning hazard. 3. Sidewall toughness to fend off potholes and curbs without exploding. 4. How they handle scorching heat without degrading from the inside out. 5. The quiet, comfy ride that doesn't rattle your teeth. And 6. Rock-solid build quality that doesn't vary from batch to batch. Drawing from mechanic polls, hands-on shop tales, independent lab stats, and repair records, we've nailed down the 8 standouts and 3 duds that no self-respecting wrench turner would endorse. Section 3. The 8 tire brands mechanics recommend. Recommended number 8, General Tire. General flies under the radar, but it's a mechanic's secret weapon for reliability without the hype. What sets it apart? Solid mileage that stretches your dollar, impressive wet grip that inspires confidence in storms, and a price tag that doesn't sting. Ideal for everyday folks hauling kids in minivans or tackling long commutes, it's the no-drama choice that just works. One shop owner told me, Generals hold their shape through abuse that would wreck lesser tires. They're built smart, not showy. Recommended number 7, Cooper tires. Cooper's roots in rugged American engineering shine through, making them a go-to for folks who demand more from their rubber. Standout features include unbeatable heat tolerance that laughs at summer scorchers, beefy sidewalls that shrug off heavy loads in pickups, and value that punches way above its weight class. Sure, they might hum a tad loud on smooth highways, but that's a small trade for the toughness. A fleet mechanic shared, for towing or off-the-beaten-path adventures, Cooper's CS5 is like armor, tough, dependable, and won't let you down when the going gets rough. Recommended number 6, Michelin. Michelin earns its stripes as the refined choice for safety-conscious drivers, blending luxury with peace of mind. It excels in rain-slicked stops that can shave seconds off emergencies, a buttery smooth feel that makes long trips effortless, and uniform quality you can bet on every time. That said, some techs note the premium cost doesn't always match the wear rate on recent models, but for family sedans or urban crossovers, it's still elite. It's the tire that whispers quality while delivering grip you feel in your gut. Recommended number 5, Continental. Continental dominates when Mother Nature throws curveballs, especially in downpours. Mechanics rave about its superior drainage that keeps you planted, a resilient mix that fights cracks and fades, and traction that turns slippery streets into sure-footed paths. perfect for coastal dwellers or anyone prioritizing stops that could save lives. It's engineered with German precision that shows. One alignment expert confided, in rainy tests, Continentals outperform the pack. They're the rainy day hero you didn't know you needed. Recommended number 4, Goodyear. Goodyear's the reliable beast that mechanics turn to for everyday battles, available everywhere and built to endure. It boasts extended wear that keeps you rolling longer, rugged walls that handle impacts like champs, and heat management that thrives in demanding conditions. Their all-season lines like the Assurance series get nods for versatility across weather whims. A veteran installer put it best, Goodyear's got that old-school toughness. It's the tire that works hard so you don't have to. Recommended number 3, Yokohama. Yokohama steps up as the precision handler favored by those who crave control in the curves. Its lightly designed sharpened steering response delivers a hushed cabin experience and grips corners with sports car flair, all at a fraction of luxury costs. Suited for zippy compacts or enthusiasts who push limits, it's the tire that makes driving fun again. Mechanics often say Yokohama sneaks in premium perks without the premium bill. It's agile, quiet, and seriously underrated. Recommended number 2, Bridgestone. Bridgestone rules the roost for endurance, pulling from racing routes to fortify street tires. It shines with mileage that hits 80,000 plus, supreme resistance to blistering heat, and innovations that filter down to make your daily drive bulletproof. Great for road warriors, desert dwellers, or heavy haulers, it's the long-haul king. One tech summed it up. Bridgestone is the marathon runner. If durability's your game, nothing touches it for the long game. Recommended number 1, Pirelli. Pirelli surprises as the all-around champ, evolving from exotic supercar duty to everyday excellence in lines like the P0 or Scorpion. It leads with unmatched wet halts that could avert disasters, durable treads that outpace rivals, robust sides that defy damage, and a serene ride that's pure class. Mechanics are buzzing. It's balanced perfection for safety, stamina, and style. As one put it, Pirelli's redefined reliability. It's the tire that's quietly rewriting the rules on what premium should mean. Cliffhanger, the 3 brands mechanics avoid. Buckle up, this part stirs the pot. Mechanics flag 3 widespread brands as outright risks, some shops flat out banning them to avoid callbacks or worse. Plagued by fragile builds, slick road failures, erratic quality, quick wearouts, and blowout epidemics, one of these is a staple at discount giants. We're laying it all bare with frontline horror stories that hit home. Section 4, the 3 tire brands mechanics refuse to install. These culprits flood shelves at megastores, cut-rate outlets, and even some dealer lots chasing quick bucks, but ask any seasoned pro what they'd steer clear of personally, and these pop up like red flags. Peel back the layers and the flaws scream. Shoddy engineering that prioritizes pennies over protection. Avoid number 3, Ironman tires. Ironman's allure is rock-bottom pricing, but the reality bites hard. Rampant blowouts from brittle sides, abysmal stops in the rain that add deadly distance, uneven compounds leading to separations, and lifespans that fizzle under 25,000 miles. Tests show they lag 50 feet behind leaders in wet emergencies, enough to turn a fender bender into a tragedy. A shop vet groaned, Ironmans are callback magnets. I've swapped more blowouts from them than premium fails in a decade. Avoid number 2, Lionheart tires. Lionheart seduces with flashy aesthetics, bold patterns, racy looks, hype that screams performance, but insiders see through it to the core weaknesses: flimsy belts that snap under strain, cracking that emerges in months, wobbly high-speed control, and rain handling that's a recipe for spins. Heat tests reveal they overheat 30% quicker than solids, courting catastrophes on hot runs. One mechanic quipped, "All show, no go. Lionhearts pose for pics but panic in puddles." Avoid number 1, Douglas tires. Douglas tops the blacklist, peddled heavily at budget chains like Walmart, engineered for cheapness over everything else. Issues abound: paper-thin walls prone to pops, instability at freeway paces, wear that vanishes in a flash, and wet stops that stretch dangerously far, over 100 feet worse than Elite's. Sudden failures make them unpredictable time bombs, bombing safety rankings across the board. A foreman declared, "Douglas tires are a gamble you can't afford. They're basic at best, hazardous at worst. Steer clear if safety matters."